Shooting with old cameras is really trendy right now. I have a couple of old ones and I wanted to check them out. It's my dad's 75th birthday, so we're gonna run around and shoot some of the footage, and we're gonna use this camera, and this camera, this camera, and this camera.
Well, I gather that you all came here for a reason, so I appreciate it.
Ridiculous.
I've never used one of those before. I think even when we were using them as a kid, I was too young too.
This camera is from 2008, I think. So yeah,
I would have been like 10.
There's footage on here of you from when you were 10. Yeah, it's crazy. So we just found this one in storage. Bust it out.
In storage?
Mom had it, yeah.
Oh wow, this is ours.
Yeah, this is ours.
Okay.
Yes.
You're on camera.